Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iCloud storage is full on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your iCloud storage is full and now you want to manage your iCloud storage, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app here, then tap on your Apple ID here, and then select the iCloud option. Now you just have to tap on storage to get your storage info, and here you'll get all of those item which I have saved into your iCloud. So now you just have to delete unnecessaries. For example, I'm going to delete backups from here. So tap on backups here, and from here you just have to select the device which you want to delete backup. So I'm going to delete this one. Just tap on it, and here you'll get the delete option. So just tap on this turn off and delete from iCloud option. Then tap on it again, and it will be permanently deleted from your iCloud. And after doing that, you just have to wait for some moments. And here you can see that iCloud storage has been free now. So after that, go back from here, and then from here you just have to select the contacts option. If you want to delete your contact images or anything like that, you just have to tap on delete that option, then tap on delete. That will be permanently deleted from your iCloud. So after that, you have to delete your photos also if you want to. Here and here you will get your messages and shortcuts backup so you can easily delete that. Here you will also get your WhatsApp backup. If you want to delete your WhatsApp backup, you can easily delete that from here. So in this way you can easily free up or manage storage for your iCloud in your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.